I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by isolating the problem. Import the clip and place it on the timeline, then duplicate the clip so you keep an untouched original. Once done, select the duplicate and open the Essential Sound panel, then tag the clip as dialog to unlock noise reduction controls. Make sure to solo the track so you only hear that audio while you work, which helps you judge processing. This setup saves time and prevents accidental overprocessing later, and it lets you /B the cleaned result against the raw file. Now apply the tools. In Essential Sound, use reduce noise, beginning near 30% and listening as you slowly raise it. You want less hiss without muffling voice. If you hear low-frequency hum or room echo, add to hum or to reverb and lower those sliders until the voice stays natural. For tonal static, open the parametric equalizer, sweep narrow Q notches to find and reduce offending frequencies, and make small cuts rather than broad ones. Keep comparing with the original to ensure transparency. Finish by rendering the timeline so playback reflects your edits. This helps you catch artifacts before export. Export the audio as WAV or high-bit AAC at 48K HZ and 16 to 24-bit depending on delivery requirements. If you notice underwater or warble artifacts after heavy noise reduction, back off the reduce noise slider and try a gentler EQ approach, or export a copy and run spectral repair in a dedicated tool. Make sure to compare exports with the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.